What's up guys, I'm here with another vid. This one is going to be expanding more on game creation. Please check my new channel, which is just going to be expanding on all this anime game dev stuff in the future. The link is in the description. I've been wanting to make a story-driven game for so long. To be honest, I don't know why I haven't. This is much easier than I expected and is a little bit easier than animation. Plus, the game will give me the ability to tell a complete story instead of episodic content that takes forever, and a lot gets lost because I can't do exposition the way that games can. Anyways, so I'm building the test level right now so I can get to know the UI of Unity since I've only used it a few times. This game design is like the old Resident Evil or Silent Hill games because I really liked those games back in the day, and they were great for storytelling. Right now, the focus is on actual gameplay elements and getting them all to work in this test level. So, the first clip, I'm trying to get the navigation mesh to work so that the player won't walk through walls and things. I'm looking at you, Bethesda. Yeah, so that was working out a lot easier than I planned. I modeled this little area in SketchUp because I'm lazy and it's just like a shooting range where I can practice setting up the cameras. Right now I've got the fixed cameras down mostly, but next step is getting them to track the player movements. Another main feature, of course, is going to be action, so I've been trying to learn how to import these models. I have a sort of template for the gun shooting and just have to both reference the template and get it to work in game. These are all free assets. Well, this sci-fi gun is a free asset. The level is mine, and the character was made in VRoid Studio, which is great for making anime-type characters. Ironically, the art and modeling, at least for me, is the easiest part of the process since I'm not a coder. And now have to retrain my brain to focus on level design, puzzles, platforming, etc. But right now, a lot of this user interface stuff is template that I'll rebuild later. It's just for purposes of getting things working. I've been battling with getting these item pickups to work for like a week now, but I think I finally got it. The main issue was when I cloned the template, the pistol wasn't showing up. It looks like I have the basic movement, collisions, and shooting down. I'll change these animations and improve the art style later once I get all the main game functions working. Please check out the other channel, and thanks for watching, guys.